Hey guys, do you want to know how to make videos just like this one? Let me show you the tools that I've been using to put my videos together. It's fast and easy, and a lot of the software is already on my computer. The basic tools that I've been using, first and foremost, I use iMovie. I put everything together in there, and it actually comes as free software with my Mac, so I don't have to worry about purchasing anything for that, and I find that it's very user-friendly. So I will walk you through how I put stuff together here in just a moment. But besides that, I do use a Logitech webcam, and it just sits on top of my monitor. There's all sorts of webcams out there. There are plenty that are also built right into your computer, which sometimes have really good quality. Besides that, I use a Zoom sound recorder, just an H4n Pro, and it gives wonderful sound if you don't want to pick up all the stuff in your room. A lot of times it can filter that stuff out, and it's pretty easy to use. Besides that, I also use Canva to make my thumbnails for my videos. That's a very easy resource, and they have a lot of free tools where you don't have to pay for any subscription to be able to do those. And the last thing I use is music from YouTube. If you go on YouTube and you search free background music for videos, a lot of different stuff will come up that is royalty free. You just need to make sure that there isn't a license that needs to be purchased or anything like that. They'll usually let you know in the description if it's music that you can use. And as long as you're using a link to put that in your video as to where you got the music from, that covers all of your bases. Once we are in iMovie, we can create a new project by hitting Create New, and then you can choose Movie or Trailer. However, I've already got a project open, so we're going to go into this one. Now, with any project you create, you're going to need to import your media, which is everything that will show up right here. If you need to add media, you can go ahead and hit the down arrow, then search through your files wherever you've saved your items, and you can select them and then hit Import All. From here, once you have the items that you want to use, you can go ahead and just drag the files down into your timeline. And then from here, if you would like to add any sort of audio, you can go up and select those audio files and drag them right below where your video is. You can move things around to line them up exactly where you want them. You can also split clips and crop them however you want to so that things fit together better, or cut out items that you didn't want to include in your videos, say the beginning part of your recording and the ending, or other things like that. You also have the ability in iMovie to bring in other images and place them over top of your videos, and you can choose the duration with which they show up on your videos, or you can change how they show up. They can show up as a picture in a picture, or there's lots of other different options to make those pop in through your video here and there. Once you have everything that you want in your video and it's lined up just the way that you would like, you go ahead and select everything, so you can hit Command or Control A. And all of your items down below here should all have yellow on them, showing that they're selected. Once it's ready to go, you go ahead and go up to the top right corner. There's a share button, and here you would choose to export your file. And now this is where you would want to name your video and save it to whatever folder you choose. So go ahead and pick that on your computer, and then you're good to go. Hit save, and it will start to export that file for you. Once it is completely exported, you are free to take it onto YouTube or any other platform you may wish to use it on and upload it. Once I'm ready to make a thumbnail for my YouTube video, I mentioned that I use Canva. When you're on the Canva website, they have lots of templates all ready to go. They have YouTube thumbnail templates. If you click on that, you can go in and they'll give you many different options already. And you can simply go through and change everything you want to about what they've given you here, or you can start from scratch and put your own stuff all together to make a thumbnail. Once you have all of it the way that you would like it, you can hit share and then go ahead and download it to your computer. And once we have that, we are ready to upload it to our YouTube Creator Studio. Of course, there are a lot of other video editing tools out there, but I find these ones work well together and help me produce content quickly and easily. And they're free. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share this with a friend. I'll see you next time.